Hello dear students, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to this video. So we are continuing linear equations in two variable. So today we'll learn how to frame equations from word problems and solve it by substitution method. This is class 10 Ncert. We'll solve questions from exercise 3.2 and 3.3. Exercise 3.2, question number 5 is half of the perimeter of a rectangular garden whose length is 4 meter more than its width. The perimeter, half of the perimeter is 36 meter. Find the dimensions of the garden. Since it is a rectangular field, it has two dimensions. One is length, one is breadth. We can take these two unknown quantities x and y. So we'll start answering. Let the length of the garden be x meter and breadth be or width be y meter. After taking this, again we'll read the question to make the equation. That means we will frame some relation. First is the relation is half of the perimeter of the rectangular garden is 36 meter. So we know that perimeter is always twice length into breadth. When we will say half of the perimeter, it will be only x plus y, half of it. Half of perimeter is equal to only x plus y. So this is, according to the question, is 36 meter. So first question is, according to the question, first equation will be x plus y is equal to 36. This is equation 1. Next is, second information is length is 4 meter more than the width. Length is equal to breadth plus 4. So what is length here? Length is x. What is breadth here? Breadth is here y plus 4. This is equation 2. So I'll substitute this value, substituting x in equation 1. So in place of x, I'll put y plus 4. So y plus 4 plus y is equal to 36, or twice y plus 4 is equal to 36, or your twice y is equal to 36 minus 4, that will be 32, or you will get y is equal to 32 divided by 2, that will be 16 meter. So this is width. So what will be length? Length is equal to 4 more than width. So 16 plus 4, that will be 20 meter. So the dimensions means length of the garden, length and width of the garden are 20 meter and 16 meter respectively. Next, exercise 3.3, we'll frame the word problems and we'll solve it by substitution method. So question number 3, form the pair of linear equations for the following problems and find the solution by substitution method. Question number 1, part 1. The difference between two numbers is 26 and one number is three times of the other. Find them. So there are two numbers. We can take as x and y, and you will make the relation. the difference between two numbers is 26. One number is 3 times of the other. So this will be two relation, two equation, then we will solve it. Unless you frame two equations, you cannot get x and y. So let the numbers be x and y. So we are assuming that x is greater than y. So that we have to write the difference. If I am thinking x is greater than y, then for difference I'll write x minus y. If I assume that y is greater, then I'll write y minus x. So according to this second equation we have to make, otherwise it will be a mistake. So according to the question, x minus y is equal to, difference is how much? 26. This is equation 1. Now one number is 3 times of other. So when you take one is 3 times of other, that means certainly the greater one will be 3 times of the smaller one. Greater is 3 into smaller. You can't write that smaller is 3 times of greater. So we have taken greater as x. X is equal to 3 times 3 multiplies y. This is equation 2. So x is equal to 3y. I'll substitute this value, substituting in equation 1. In place of x, I'll put 3y. So 3y minus y is equal to 26, or twice y is 26, or y is equal to 26 by 2, that will be 13. So this is the smaller number. Then what will the bigger one? Bigger one is x. How many times? It will be 3 times. 3 times, so 3 into 13. How much it will be? 39. So this is bigger number. So the numbers are 39 and 13. Second part. The larger of two supplementary angles exceeds the smaller by 18 degrees. Find them. So it is the question of two supplementary angles. We have to find all the angles, two angles. So we can take as x and y. Then we'll make the relation. So let the angles be x and y. And when they are supplementary, you know that their sum is 180 degree. Then only they are called supplementary. So one relation we are getting here, the sum is 180 degree. So x plus y is equal to 180. Equation 1. Second, the larger of the supplementary angle, larger. So let us assume that x is larger than y. It exceeds the smaller by 18 degrees. So x is 18 more than the smaller. So x is 18 more than smaller. This is equation 2. Now we'll substitute x is equal to y plus 18 in equation 1. Then I'll get y plus 18 plus y is equal to 180 degree, or twice y plus 18 is equal to 180, or twice y is equal to 162, y is equal to 162 divided by 2, that will be 81. So one angle we got, that is 81 degree. Now what is the other? Other is 18 more. So 81 plus 18, that will be 99. The angles are 99 degree and 81 degree. So you can verify that sum is 180 degree. Third part, the coach of a cricket team buys 7 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3,800. Later she buys 3 bats and 5 balls for rupees 1750. 1750. Find the cost of each bat and each ball. So there are two unknown quantities. One is cost of bat, one is cost of ball. So we can take as x and y. So let the cost of one bat be rupees x and cost of one ball be rupees y. Then if cost of one bat is rupees x, he is buying 7 bats, it will be certainly 7 into x. Then he is buying 6 balls, 1 balls is rupees y, so it will be 6y, and their sum is, total is 3800. So according to the question, 7x plus 6y is equal to 3800. This is equation 2, 1. Similarly, again he is buying 3 bats. So it will be 3x. Then your 5 balls, it will be 5y. How much it will be? 1750. So second equation is 3x plus 5y is equal to 1750, equation 2. So from equation 2, I am taking your value of x and I will substitute in your first equation. So 3x is equal to 1750 minus 5y, or x is equal to 1750 minus 5y upon 3. Now substituting in equation 2, equation 1, I'll get 7 into x. How much? 1750 minus 5y by 3 plus 6y is equal to 3800. Now we'll simplify it very carefully. Here 7 will be multiplied with both. It will be how much? 0, 5, 1, 2, 2, 5, 0 minus 7 will be multiplied with 5, 35y by 3 plus 6y is equal to 3800. Again simplifying little bit on the left side, I'll get 12250 minus 35y plus 6 into 3, 18y whole upon 3 is equal to 3800. Further simplification, I'll get 12250 minus 17y is equal to, I'll multiply 3 here now. So it will be how much? 11400, or 17y is equal to 12250 subtraction 11400. This gives you 8500, or y is equal to 8500 divides 17 gives you 500. Oh, sorry, there will be 10 only. 850, sorry, very sorry. Let me rub it. it will be 850. If you subtract, it will be 850. Then it will be 850 divided by 17, it will be 50. So what was y? Y was cost of one ball. So the cost of ball is rupees 50. Now coming to x. What was x? X was 1750 minus 5y. I'm putting y value here. 5 into 50 by 3. This will be 1750 minus 250 by 3, 1500 by 3, this will be 500. So the statement, the cost of one bat is rupees 500. The cost of one ball is rupees 50. Part 4. The taxi charges in a city consist of a fixed charge together with the charge for the distance covered, some charge for taking the taxi, and another charge for distance covered. For a distance of 10 kilometer, the charge paid was rupees 105, and the 15-kilometer journey, the charge was 115. What are the fixed charge and what is the charge per kilometer of the distance covered? Now the second part is, if a person goes for 25 kilometer, how much he has to pay? So there is a fixed charge. You must have seen that there is a fixed charge shown in the taximeter. Whenever you will sit, you have to pay it, whether you move or not. So that fixed charge is a unknown quantity, and per kilometer he is charging something. So that is another quantity. So these two we can take as x and y. So let the fixed charge be rupees x and cost or charge for traveling 1 kilometer be rupees y. That means if a person is charging for 1 kilometer, you will give x fixed charge plus y. If he is traveling for 2 kilometer, x plus 2y. If he is traveling for 3 kilometer, x plus 3y. This x is not changing, it is fixed. And per kilometer y. So now he is going for distance of 10 kilometer, charges 105. So according to the question, for 10 kilometer, how much you should pay? You should pay fixed charge x for sitting in the taxi, availing the taxi, and per kilometer y. So 10 kilometer 10y. How much he is paying? Rupees 105. This is equation 1. Second is for 15 kilometer. Where will be the change? X will not be changed because it is fixed. 1 kilometer y rupees, 15 kilometer 15 y rupees. So this will be how much? 155, equation 2. This is very easy for elimination. If we will eliminate x will be cancelled for subtraction, but we are solving it by substitution. So we cannot eliminate. So for substitution from equation 1, I'm taking separating x. X is equal to 105 minus 10y. I'll substitute x in equation 2. What I'll get in place of x, I'll put 105 minus 10y. So 105 minus 10y, and previously it was 15y, that will be written is 155. Or I'll keep all y left side, it will be 5y, and number I'll take to right side. Or I'm getting 5y is equal to 50. Then how much will be y? Y is equal to 10. So that is the cost per kilometer. After getting y, I am getting for x. I am taking this expression. X is equal to 105 minus 10 into 5. 10y, 10 into 5. 105 minus 50. So this will be 55. Now let us write the statement. So fixed charge is rupees 55 and charge per kilometer is rupees 10. Let us check once. 50 for 15 kilometers, it will be 150 plus 55. Some mistake is somewhere. 5y is equal to, this is your 5y is equal to 50, y is equal to 10 for 10 kilometer. 10 kilometer is 100. So 10 into this will be 10. I make a mistake here. So it will be 100. Let me check, correct the mistake. So he is going for what? Y is equal to 10. I have put by mistake, it is 5. It will be 10. 10 into 10. So this will be 100. It is, sorry for the interruption, rupees 5. So fixed charge is rupees 5. Fixed charge is rupees 5 and charge per kilometer is rupees 10. Okay. Now next is he is traveling how much? Traveling 25 kilometer. So for traveling 25 kilometers, will give fixed charge 5 plus 25 into per kilometer is your 10. So this will be 5 plus 250, that will be 255 rupees. I hope you have understood. I made a mistake earlier, that is it will be 150 minus 10y, y should be 10. So it will be 10 into 10, 100, 105 minus 100, this is rupees 5 is fixed charge. Now question number part 5, 3 part 5. A fraction becomes rupees 9 by 11 if 2 is added to both the numerator and the denominator. If 3 is added to both the numerator and the denominator, then the fraction becomes 5 by 6. Find the fraction. You know a fraction is written in p by q form. So here both are numerator and denominator are unknown. So we'll take as x and y. So the solution is, let the numerator of the fraction be x and denominator be y. Then the fraction is how much? What? The fraction is x by y. Now we frame the relation. What? 2 is added to both numerator and denominator. So numerator is x, 2 is added, denominator is y, 2 is added. This fraction becomes 9 by 11. This is relation 1. I'll make into linear equation. How I'll make it? I'll cross multiply. So 11 will be multiplied with x plus 2 and 9 will be multiplied with y plus 2. On simplification, I'll get 11x plus 22 is equal to 9y plus 18, or 11x minus 9y is equal to 18 minus 22 minus 4. This is equation 1. Now coming to second relation. If 3 is added to both numerator and denominator, it becomes 5 by 6. Numerator was x, 3 is added now. Denominator was y, 3 is added now. It becomes 5 by 6. In the same way, on cross multiplication, I write 6 multiplies x plus 3 is equal to 5 multiplies y plus 3. Or this gives me 6x plus 18 is equal to 5y plus 15, or 6x is equal to 5y, this will be minus 3. Then x is equal to 5y, this is equation 2. Next I am substituting the value of x. X is equal to 5y minus 3 by 6. I'll put this value substituting in equation 1. Equation 1. What I'll get? I'll get 11 into 5y minus 3 by 6 minus 9y is equal to minus 4. Or I'll get 55y minus 33 by 6. Together I'm doing the simplification. 54y by 6 is equal to minus 4. Or 55 minus 54, that will be y minus 33 is equal to minus 24. Or y is equal to minus 24 plus 33, that will be 9. So denominator is 9. Now coming to numerator, x. X is equal to what? X is equal to, I've got a relation. This one, I'm getting 5 into y. Y is 9 minus 3 by 6. So 45 minus 3, 42 by 6, that will be 7. So what is the numerator? Numerator is 7. Denominator is 9. So fraction is 7 by 9. You can check the answer. Once you made two, add them, you are getting 9 by 11. Add 3, you will get 10 by 12, which is equal to 5 by 6. You can verify your answer also. Now, sixth part. 5 years hence, the age of Jacob will be three times that of his son. 5 years ago, Jacob's age was 7 times the of his son. What are their present age? So I'm taking the present age. One is age of Jacob, one is age of son. Let present age of Jacob be x years and of his son be y years. And there is no relation between them at present. One relation is 5 years ago, one relation is 5 years after. So I am going after 5 years. After 5 years, the age of Jacob will be how much? X plus 5. 5, he will grow by 5 years. And son will be y plus 5. That time the relation will be age of Jacob will be 3 times age of the son. Jacob will be, what is the Jacob? Jacob will be x plus 5. He will be is equal to 3 times 3 into the age of son, y plus 5. This is your equation 1. On simplifying, you will get x plus 5 would be age is equal to 3 times of would be age of the son. So 3y plus 50. Or you are getting x minus 3y is equal to 15 minus 5, that will be 10. This is equation 1. Next I'll come to before 7 years. 5 years ago. Before 5 years. 5 years ago. The age of Jacob was certainly it should be less, 5 years less. If you are 10 years now or 15 years now, before 5 years, you are 10 years, 5 years less. Similarly, son will also be 5 years less. Son was y minus 5. After we are increasing, before we are decreasing. Then that time he was 7 times of the son. Jacob's was 7 times of son. So x minus 5 is equal to 7 into y minus 5. On simplifying, I'll get x minus 7 is equal to 7y minus 35, or x minus 7y is equal to minus 35 plus 7. That will be x minus 7y is equal to minus 28. This is equation 2. This is one equation. This is second equation. We have to solve it. So we'll do by substitution. So from equation 1, I'm writing x is equal to 10 plus 3y. From equation 1. Now substituting in equation 2. In place of x, I'll put 10. In place of x, I'll put 10 plus 3y. 10 plus 3y minus 7y is equal to minus 28. Or simplifying, I'll get minus 4y is equal to minus 28. Yes, some problem is there. X minus 7y is equal to 35, right? X minus 5. This is a mistake. X minus 5y. Very sorry. This is x minus 5. X minus 5. X minus 5. Then it will be plus 5. Then it will be minus 30. This will be, I need to rub it again. Minus 7y is 30. I hope you have understood and you have drawn it. So this will be minus 30. Next, my 10, 3y minus 30 is equal to minus 30. Then how much I'll get? Minus 4. 4y is equal to minus 40, or y is equal to 10. After getting y is equal to 10, that is the present age of the sun. Present age of sun. Next I'll go for your x. What is x? X is equal to 10 plus 3y. X is equal to 10 plus 3y. 3y is 10 again. So 10 plus 30, that will be 40. So present age of Jacob is 40 years. And son is 10 years. Now you can verify. Before 5 years, Jacob was 35, son was 5, 35 and son was 5. So it is 7 times. Good. Now their present is 10, and for after 5 years he will be 45 and this will be 15. So it will be 3 times. So our answer is correct. So thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching. And we'll learn some more questions next time.